Sebastião Salgado's exhibition opens at Salone degli Incanti.
Des pays en voie de développement avec des grands problèmes sociaux, des problèmes d'urbanisation assez récentes qui provoquent des déformations sociales incroyables, et producteurs de matières premières pour des pays riches où les prix des produits ne sont pas toujours très bien tenus à un certain niveau. C'est le problème de toujours.
We started collaborating with Salgado 20 years ago. Salgado was working with us for 10 years. He was visiting all the 9 countries where we produce coffee in order to make beautiful pictures that then we expose also during the 2015 Expo. So it's a long-term collaboration because at the end we share the same values: sustainability, respect for the community, respect for the growers and for the beautiful countries where coffee is produced.
What we propose here to the city of Trieste is really a very immersive journey in a place that we heard about, but we normally don't know and don't touch in such close encounter.